This is an overview of the frequently asked questions accordion component for the OKB Hope Foundation. I'm one member of a team that's working on this website, and I was responsible for creating this component. Um, it basically works like this. It's got a heading, frequently asked questions. Each question, you click on the icon, it expands to ask and answer the question, and then contracts afterwards. You can have multiple questions open at a time if you would like. I chose to use the MUI accordion, the MUI accordion. So it was basically a lot of the code was already set up for me, pretty straightforward. Imported all that from MUI. I chose at this point in time to create my own little array of objects to create frequently asked questions. I think eventually our team is going to create a back-end component of this. So we're working in React right now with some discussions about possibly using a back-end of Strappy. So eventually that might go into the back end, but right now I've got it locally and just importing it into here. So I set this up as a map so that it would automatically adjust based on how many questions were in the array. And this is the basic setup. We've got an overall container of accordion. In order to get the margins I wanted, I just gave it a class name, and that's embedded in our CSS page. And then the summary and the gives some of the basic overall things, like the icon that I chose to use this right here is the expand more icon. The ARIA controls, the accessibility controls are set up with the same ID as the ID so that they match, and so that you can, if you choose, I can do this using the space bar. I know you can't see me doing this, or the return button I can open, and I can tap from one to another, as well as the other accessibility components that are built in there. And it's got just a little bit of an extra margin there. So then we've got the question, the title of the question up there, and then the question text down there. It's pretty simple, straightforward component.